The Amakosi have bolstered their squad with the signing of a 33-year-old Uruguayan midfielder Castino Sereno, following his impressive 6-year stint with Mamelodi Sundowns. Sereno's arrival at Naturena comes after a remarkable record of 41 goals and 44 assists in the yellow and blue of Sundowns, which caught the attention of Chiefs management. In a statement to the club's official website, Chiefs sporting director Kaizer Motaung Jr. expressed confidence in Sereno's ability to enhance the team and stated, "We've decided to add experience to our squad by bringing in Sereno. His quality is undeniable and we believe he will be a key asset this season. We're excited for him to share his experience with our younger players." Sereno's reputation as a creative playmaker precedes him. Motaung Jr. is hopeful that his ability to break down defense will be a crucial tool for Amakosi, and added that Sereno's craft and guile will bring an extra layer of creativity to our team, and his skill set aligns perfectly with our playing philosophy. However, despite the excitement surrounding the acquisition, some within the football community have raised concerns. Former Orlando Pirates midfielder Teko Modise has cautioned against placing too much responsibility on Sereno's shoulders. He told Idiski TV that Sereno is a great player and I wasn't surprised that he's already made an impact. But my concern is whether he'll get the support he needs. We've seen talented players like Castro, Billiard, and Dolly struggle at Chiefs because they were overloaded with expectations. Modise warned that if the burden falls too heavily on Sereno, history could repeat itself, and said if Sereno doesn't get the necessary support from his teammates, we risk him ending up in the same situation as others. We need to help the team, not overload him with pressure. As Amakosi look to restore their dominance in South African football, much will depend on how they integrate Sereno into a squad that has struggled for a long time. Fans will be eager to see if the Uruguayan can replicate his Sundown success at one of the country's most storied clubs. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.